this is how they come. So what I have seen another demonstrator do, which I thought was a really great idea, which is what I'm going to do to this one, and I can show you what I'm going to do. So I've got the tear and tape, and you've got the soft flimsy plastic side, and then you've got the hard acetate side. So I'm putting it on the hard, the firmer acetate window sheet style. Good morning, Robin. And I'm just going to pop a couple of lines of this tape down. Like I said, this is not my idea. I have seen it from a few different demonstrators now, so I'm not sure where it originated from, but I thought it was a really good idea. So let's get that backing off. And so I've done this to a couple of my stamp sets already. So get them off. Okay, and then we are going to stick that down onto one side of this little cover thing. Okay, and then get that out of the way, and then I'm going to pull off that top sheet, that flimsy one. Okay, and I'm just using granite grey. You can use whatever you would like, and I'm going to ink up the whole sheet. And then I'm just going to close that cover and run my hand along it. And then when I open it up, I've got all my images on the other side. So, and this is probably especially good for this style of stamp set where there's so many stamps. And then I'm just going to come in with my chamois and give these guys a bit of a clean. Whoops. I got my edge dirty. Oh man, it might dry. It's probably just water, dirty water from my chamois. Give all them a dry. These should be dry. It's sort of like a glossy, semi-glossy type of feel on it. But just in case, I'm just going to grab my trusty cloth here and just dab on them. So when it comes time, say I've used my kitty cat. So when it comes time for me to put them away, what you do is you just pop them directly on top of where you've done it, and you close it from that side, and you just run your hand on it again, and it's all back. So how cool is that? And then I've just been keeping this sheet and putting it over the top once again, but you probably don't need to do that. So hopefully that's a little tip for you for your stamps, so that if you are out somewhere and you want to make sure that you've got all your stamps, there's a good idea of keeping track of what's what. So anyway, I thought that was a good idea, and I thought I would take it as well.